Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet this beautiful hexagon. It's very easy and friendly for beginners. You can do it using all colored or in one color too. So let's get started. First, we are going to make a knot. Then make 4 chains. Next, we will make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now here we have a little circle. We will work in it. To start by making 1 chain. Inside the circle, we are going to work single crochet. So we will continue repeating until we end up with 12 single crochets. Arriving here at the end of the lane, we will make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. To start the second row, chain 1, and return to the same place, make a single crochet and 5 chains. Then we are going to skip 1 stitch, make a single crochet and 5 chains. Again, skip 1 stitch, make a single crochet into the next stitch. We will continue like this until the end. Arriving at the end, we are going to make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Then we'll make 2 chains as a strong knot and cut off this yarn. Pull it tight. Then we will hide it back between the stitches. Finishing this part, we'll take another color of yarn, make a knot. To start, we can make the first stitch in any of these spaces. So insert my hook and make a single crochet. Then we'll return the same space, make 1 half double crochet. Then make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Next, make 1 half double crochet and make 1 single crochet. This is a petal. We will do another, so make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 3 double crochets. Then we are going to work 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. We will continue to work like this until the end. Arriving at the end of our line, we are going to make a slip stitch into the first single crochet and chain 1. Then we are going to return the same space, make 1 single crochet. We are going to work 7 chains. Moving to the middle of 2 petals, we are going to make 1 single crochet and 7 chains. next stitch is the middle of 2 petals. We'll work 1 single crochet. We will continue like this until the end. Finishing this line, we are going to close it by making a slip stitch into the first single crochet, then chain 2 as a strong knot. Cut off this yarn. We are going to hide the yarn tail back between the stitches. To start the next row, we will make a knot using a new color yarn. We can make the first stitch into any of these spaces, so in this space we are going to work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets, then into the same space work 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. This is a petal like this. I will work another 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets, and 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. We will continue like this until the end. We will have 6 petals. To the end, we will make a slip stitch into the first single crochet and chain 2 as a strong knot. Taking a new color of yarn, we will make a knot. We are going to make the first stitch in the middle of the 2 petals. So, yarn over, make a double crochet, chain 1, then back to the same space, make 1 double crochet. Next, we are going to make 3 chains. Moving to the highest of the petal, we will make 1 single crochet and 3 chains. Next space, we will work 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet, then make 3 chains. Then in the highest point of the petal, we will work 1 single crochet and 3 chains. Next, work 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. We will continue working like this until the end. Arriving at the end of the line, we will make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Next, in the chain 1 space, we will work a stacked single crochet, so chain 1 into this space, make 1 single crochet, then pull through the front loop, make another single crochet. It counts as 1 double crochet. I will work 2 unfinished double crochet. Then yarn over, pull through all loops. This is 1 cluster of 3 double crochets, then chain 3. Next, we will work another cluster of 3 double crochets. The corner like this. Next, into the back space, we are going to work 3 double crochets. Moving to the next space, we will work 3 double crochets. Next space is 1 chain space. It is a corner, so we will work 1 cluster of 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and 1 cluster of 3 double crochets, all into the same space. Next space, we will work 3 double crochets. Moving to the next space, we will work 3 double crochets too. The next space is a corner. We will work like this. This will be the repetition of our line. Finishing this line, we will make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Then cut off this yarn. Pull it out, then we will use a small hook. Pull this yarn tail from front to the back. Then into these 2 loops. Pull the yarn out. Then we will hide the yarn tail between the stitches and tie it with another one. It doesn't come loose. So we are finished this beautiful hexagon. I hope you enjoy my video. If it was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.